See what I've done already is put the pie crust in the filling, and now I'm just gonna add a little bit of the stuff that I pressure cooked the wings in. A little bit of that gravy that's in there. Just want that to go down and just to flavor it. Then I got some of this home style gravy. I'm gonna put that in there. Spoon some of that in. As you see, put that gravy right there, like so. That gravy all around that. So that's gonna go right down. And to make sure it goes down, just touch on it like that so it gets down in there, in that middle. That's going right in there like so. And you make sure it's going down in there by pushing down on it. And then I deboned the chicken wings. I got them sitting right here. Chicken wings. It's all deboned and crispy. You can see that. Look at that, how crispy that is. You just take them and set them on top. So I love the way these chicken taste, but I don't like having to peel them off. So what I do is just put them on like this. You know, just think about how I was going to do this to make it nice and crispy and delicious. And then you put that around there on the side. You got to keep working at it. See, no bones in it at all whatsoever. I made sure it's all boneless. Nothing but chicken right there, nothing but chicken. All in there. Final piece of the puzzle was right there. Put that in there like so. Put that over there. Now, got that there. And I'll take this one. See that? Take a look at that. That's that chicken. Boneless and crispy. Quite delicious. Tasting and seasoning with my usual favorite ingredients. Rosemary and fennel. Take it over to my oven. This is ready. On convention bake at 350, as you can see. 350 for that convention bake. There you go. Convention bake. 350. I'll take it. I'll set it in there and put it right there. So I'm gonna put this on for about 20 minutes. I'll make sure everything is hot through and through. I'll start him up. And I'm going to come back with the finished product. God bless y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Alrighty. That pie is ready to come out. Boneless chicken wing pie. See double zeros on there. Here you have it. Boneless chicken wing pie. Good to go. Right, you know, you sliced and diced. There for you. Now that is a chicken pot pie. A real deal chicken pot pie with the crispy boneless chicken wings on the top and a pot pie gravy in the middle. Chicken is tender to the touch, brand new from me to you, made by you know who. Chicken crispy, that's boneless chicken wings, pot pie. This is my brand new recipe. I just invented it today, and it is going to be delicious because the chicken wings are crispy and boneless, and you got gravy inside of it, and delicious pie crust. You can't beat that with a stick. Tony, how you doing? You can't beat this right here with a stick. God bless y'all and thank y'all for watching.